Since acrylic mirror, let idea catch shape. Hello guys, I am Chris. Glad to see you guys here. From now on, we will share the knowledge of acrylic mirrors so that you could have a better understanding. Have you heard of unbreakable mirror? Acrylic mirror is one of them. Acrylic mirror is the finished product of acrylic sheet after electroplating. Its eye-catching and shiny mirror surface is well received by industry of advertising and home design. Due to unbreakable and lightweight, some customers take it to replace glass mirror, such as toddler toys, cosmetics mirrors, and so on. Acrylic mirrors are divided into acrylic single-side mirrors and acrylic two-way mirrors. The image of acrylic single-side mirror is the same as glass mirror, but the back will be covered by paint or adhesive. The image of the acrylic two-way mirror is the transparent. The reason why of that, it will pass through the path of light and reflect the rest. Do you know what the acrylic mirror is now? If you'd like to know about acrylic mirror, please leave a message in the comment. Next time, we will introduce how to identify the quality of acrylic mirror. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.